Imagine a storm so fierce, it brings an entire region to its knees. In March 1888, the Great Blizzard struck the eastern United States, dumping up to 50 inches of snow in just 2 days. This unprecedented storm paralyzed cities, with winds reaching 80 miles per hour, rendering transportation impossible. Trains were stranded and communication lines collapsed, trapping thousands in their homes. The blizzard claimed over 400 lives as people faced harsh conditions and plummeting temperatures. It reshaped urban infrastructure, leading to improved weather forecasting and emergency response protocols. The Great Blizzard remains a stark reminder of nature's power and unpredictability, forever etched in American history.